MeghalayaPost.news.
Yeah, this also double. Yeah, we are brothers.
Wala ka election commission kari India kampat Pynbna ka tarik ban penlong ya ka election Shiteng Samoi na kamta ka shillong parliamentary constituency kabahaban penlong biang hadian ka jingklat Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon kumu MP na ka VPP party henry hadu mentalami laingut ki Kyrtong ki banikhun ya kani ka election Shiteng Samoi na kamta banikhun ban job bad ban yomi bujri haka jakau Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ubal bam kwai hadwaru blai kini ki laingut ki Kyrtong ki balapa perthai banikhun hakani ka election Shiteng Samoi na shillong parliamentary constituency ki kanthup yo Dr. Batskham Marbo na ka VPP party UMP barim ka jalaw ma Vincent H Pala na ka party Congress bat kanthup yo Professor Dr. DRL Nonglait ba ka party NPP kalapan benapat ba kum Kyrtong ka party ha ka jingelang ka balong menta ka sngi State Central Library hanong ba Shillong menteri rang ba ka jalaw bat ubadeiru National President ka NPP Konrad K Sangma ula shimya ka banta ba kongsan man benapat ba sundon ba Professor Dr. DRL Nonglait ula dei kum Kyrtong bapura ka NPP ban yakhun ha ka ne election Shiteng Samoi na ka Shillong parliamentary constituency ban yomi khman Syaki yang dorbar haga Lok Sabha ha parlimen ka NPP kalapan benapat ba menta ka sngi yo Professor Dr. DRL Nonglait kum Kyrtong ka party ka de hadian badangsyan haga jingelang working president uba hamlat doling lambat kiwei kinongilam kilalit ban kendu kerpang yu haga yingsa jong u badaitang hadian bo Dr. Nonglait ula pedang ya ka jingterwa ba menta ka sngi pan ka party NPP kalapan benapat ba sundon kum Kyrtong ka NPP uban aireng hakani ka election Shiteng Samoi na Shillong parliamentary constituency kumban penpam na loru MP barim ma Vincent H Pala u Kyrtong ka party Congress u Professor Dr. Batskham Marbo udai Professor North Eastern Hills University u bahikai ha ka political department baru Professor Dr. Nonglait ru udai Professor ha ka tega school ba u bahikai ha ka Khasi department baru badai ru President ka Khasi Auto Society hakani singi balapan bena Kyrtong yo Dr. Nonglait dau Konrad K Sangma kum National President baru menteri rang ba ka jala kiwei ki blai don langki kenthup yo sambut menteri rang ba ka jala baru badai ru State President ka NPP u ba Prestun Tensong ku sambut menteri ka Sarkar u ba balang dhar u minister kasin RD uba sustenance sotun lembat kiwi ki menteri sarkar na ke NPP bat kinong yalam bahakman ke NPP hapo ka jala
our respected office bearers of the National People's Party, of the National Committee as well as of the State Committee, and all members of the National People's Party from different frontal organizations who have come here to be part of this general body meeting. I welcome each and every one of you to this very, very important meeting. Second, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the party to welcome Dr. Nonglait to the National People's Party family. Let's give a round of applause. Yeah. I also would like to ask everybody to please stand up where we are so that we can once again, and as has been proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election. Thank you very much.
MeghalayaPost.news.